So hello everyone, here's I am with a Visual Basic tutorial. Here in today's tutorial we are talking about the connectivity of a Microsoft data access with Visual Basic 6.0. So you are seeing a Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0 environment here. Here's new project, open a new project, standard.exe. Now open it. So here we go, here's the form layout window you are seeing here. Just now I'm going to add a new form here, that is login form, login dialog box, add form, login dialog box, click on it. Now open it. So since we have a login form here, so I just going to remove our form 1 from here. Just click on it, remove form 1. So here we go. Now add a data control to the login form here. Since I am adding a data control to the login form, and now since we are going to add a Microsoft access, so first step you have to take is to go in the menu bar. Here's click on the add-in menu, add-ins, and then Visual Data Manager. So here comes a box of Visual Data Manager. Click on the file menu here. In a file menu you have seen option of a new, add a new, that Microsoft Access database. For adding a new Microsoft Access database, and several other options are available like a database, Fox Pro, Paradox, and OBD ODBC option. Now Microsoft Access 7 version 7.0 MDB, you have click here, and whatever database name you want to give to this dialog box for saving it, just give it, like I am giving a db3 here. And since you have to also remember where you have saved this database file, like I'm saving it on a desktop. Now save it. Here we go. Now a dialog box containing a database window of a property, just right click on the property, add a new table option. Here's new table option, just a new table, click on the new table option, and here's our text field of a table name. Here we go. Now type a table, like I'm giving it a name, a T4 table. So add a field. Now you can add a attribute of field to these tables, like from here just click on the option of add field, name of that attribute, like username I'm giving here, username. Now okay, click on okay. And now second field, like I'm in login form, as it is password, we are talking about password. Now click on ok. So we have a two attribute here, user field and password, two field in the table list. Now here's the option below, build the table, click here on the build table. So here your table is been created. Now click on the right click on the table, open it. So here you can have the values to your attribute which you added in the table, like username and password. Like I'm giving a username as a Tom. So sorry, first of all you have to see click on the add option. Since you are going to add a new values to the attribute, you have to click on the add option. Now give the values to the Tom, username, and password I'm giving it a 123. Now update it. Okay, so we updated. Now if since you have want more values to add, just click on the add again, and I'm giving it a Jerry option, Jerry, and 123. Now update is again. So we updated here two values to the table. Just close it, come back to the Visual Basic environment. Now click on the data control we have added previously, and in this data control go to the property windows of that data control. Here we have the option database name. Click on that database name option and add the particular database which you have created previously in the first of the steps. Here we search for the database name which we added, that is like a db3 mdb. Since this is I added, just click on it and open it. So here we added the database name to this data control. Now go to the property of record source of this data control. Here we have the property of record source, click on it, and the records is, since records are saved in the table, so we have the record source property to the table, that table name T4. Click on it, and now go to the username text field. Here we have to change this username text field option so we can have that values which we added in the table. furtherly. Now go to the option of a property option of this text field username on the data field. Click on the data field and add the particular username which you added in the previous table username. Now go to the property of data source. Data source is here we have data control. Since we have this data control, so we have to add this data source data1. Now go to the password field text field, and since you have to add the same thing data field, change the data field name, that is password, and go to the data source, that is data1. Now here we have this created, connected with the Microsoft Access. Go to the run option and click here run start. Since so that error comes, must have the startup form or a submain. So since we have added a login form and saved our startup object as same main, so error is must. So we have to change this startup object to submain from form login. Click on it, form login, and click OK. Now this runs. Since you are seeing that username Tom and password like 123 something, click on it. Okay, invalid password, that is come due to you are not have coded with that OK button with that particular password. Like see that private sub command. Okay, click on the click option if text password is equal to password. So we have to change this password to 123 which we have given in that particular table, that we have changed it. Now again run it, click on the option run. So if you click on OK, see that this happens. And if you want furthermore, then just click on it again, run option, and just change the click on the arrow button is Jerry and click OK. Okay, so here's we are connected with a Microsoft Access. So thanks for watching. And one more suggestion I just want to give you, if you are a college student, that if you want to be succeeded in your particular life of a love, like particular thing having a girlfriend, yeah, so just try up to the senior girls, it's been more fun there. And if you got dumped out by the senior girls, then you have to sing that song which I'm going to sing with you. Let's start, babe. Bye bye. Thank you, everyone.